Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Mr. and Mrs. Pandit, and I'm Mrs. Pandit. So today's video is Vikram official title teaser, and this is from Kamal Hassan sir's movie. Okay, so we have Kamal Hassan, Lokesh Kangaraj and Anirudh. Okay, the special Anirudh sir. I think he's the music director, and Kamal Hassan sir, we don't need to tell like he doesn't need any introduction. He is a super fabulous actor, and he's a pride, basically the pride of India in the movie industry or cinema industry. So yes, we are very much proud of Kamal Hassan sir's acting, his appearances and whatnot. So yes, let's get started. I am hoping that this Bikram movie is going to be a super duper फारू टाइप का मूवी, एंड ट्रेलर भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़बरदस्त होने वाला है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड, बट बिफोर दैट इफ यू लाइक टुडेस कंटेंट डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन द नोटिफिकेशन बेल. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, ठीक है. मतलब थोड़ा क्या, बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट है. दिस कंटेंट, दिस whole creation like gave me thrill. I'm having goosebumps, okay, right now, because I read one story where there lived a person. I don't know whether it is similar or not, but I just want to narrate this story which I read. I think I was in school that time only. So I read that in a jungle there is a small house, and there one priest used to live there, and he was a very dharmic type ka religious priest, and he used to do sevas and all to the nearby villagers, and whoever are there or whoever are getting tired, they can go to his place and they can have food and they can rest. But that priest is something like he's not a good person, and at night he used to kill that people who used to come to his home for rest. Okay, so this is kind of a like in it was kind of a like बोल सकते हैं आप धर्मशाला, where people can get rest and have food and like take some rest for some certain period of time, and then they can again start their travel. But at night only the priest used to kill them. It was kind of like reminding me of that incident, because I am not sure whether this storyline, and that storyline is exactly similar or not, but not similar, which I can totally understand. He's a very religious kind of a person. I what I understood by seeing this whole trailer, that he was a very बहुत बड़ा एक इंसान है, who is like having the audacity. Every people are like giving him respects and all. He is having that kind of standard in the place, but he is somehow is having the like guns and all of that weapons in him, in his house, like behind the window and under the table and where not, like in the bookshelf, behind the books and all. So this is very interesting, you know, why he is killing. Last scene I couldn't understand why he is killing. I think like the bunch of people who came to have the lunch or dinner something in his home, I think they are also criminal, and he is like protecting his family by killing those people. So I think because of that, or there is a big story behind this whole scene. I think I saw a complete movie, you know. I saw a part of the movie. It was not looking like a teaser, and I am wishing like why it completes so soon. It should be a little long, and I am having my own eagerness. Okay, this is the best teaser I think I have ever seen in a good amount of days. Okay, so yeah, I really enjoyed it. Okay, it is having the picturization is outstanding. The wooden furnitures, the whole getup of the scene is like on point. The music, Anirudh has done a brilliant job. Like the music itself will give you the thrills. Okay, you don't need to see the scene, the music will give you the instant thrill in you. And his get up, he's like wearing the traditional dress, and the banana leaves and all, like it is a very traditional yet a very suspicious kind of like scene, house you can say. And his expression, man, his eye expression is the showstopper of everything, above everything. His eye expression, like it was talking a lot of things. Though I didn't understand what he has told at the end, but I think some strong meaningful word I think he has told. And the whole scene is giving me thrill, okay, because of the appearance of Kamal Hassan sir. He is a very strong actor, you know. He can, like he can do a film by his own only. Like he can be a one and only hero or one and only character in a movie, and he can run the movie like chutki bhar mein, and the movie will be getting super hit. He is having that personality. He's a very senior person, and he has done lot of Bollywood movies also, this industry also. So he is very versatile, you can say, and we can expect this kind of standard wala scene from his Kamal Hassan sirs. Okay, so definitely it was outstanding, marvelous, and the camera angle, the whole execution of the trailer is bomb. Though I couldn't understand the whole context of it, but yes, somewhat I understood that very tricky or very twisty kind of movie it's gonna be. Okay, that I can understand, because normal जो love story वाला या फिर गाँव गाँव की कहानी, घर की कहानी, जो खेत बाड़ी करते हैं, काइंड ऑफ ये ऐसा टाइप का नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. ओके, दिस इज़ अ वेरी डिफरेंट टॉपिक एंड वेरी डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मूवी, एंड आई कैन नॉट resist myself to see the whole trailer, perfect trailer, and the movie itself. Okay, so let's see when the movie is getting released. Not sure though, but definitely maybe next year. Okay, I think this is gonna be Kamal Hassan sir's topmost movie, one of the topmost movies for sure. Okay, so really enjoyed, and it is a 10 out of 10. Okay, no question. So I really enjoyed it, and just comment down below what you think about the last line, and what you guys think, like what would be the context of the whole scene. Okay, that would be very efficient for me also to read out your comments and to understand more about this. Very true, man. Very, very marvelous. Okay, so yes, that is it for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments for today. So the first comment for today's video is from Satish SMS, and he's commenting, please react Vikram movie teaser. Yesterday Kamal Hassan sir's birthday, so I forgot to mention that happy birthday, happy belated birthday to Kamal Hassan sir. May God bless you and live a long, healthy life ahead. Okay, so yes, we couldn't post that video on yesterday because we were a little busy, but yes, this video I am now feeling fulfilled that I have seen this kind of iconic teaser, and this is making me feel good from inside. And thank you, Satish, for commenting, because yeah, this teaser I couldn't miss. Okay, and yes, this teaser is for you, Satish. I hope you will like my expression, my reaction. And please comment down below if you have any information regarding this movie. So definitely I just love to read out your comment. Okay, so thank you so much, Satish, for commenting and for watching our videos. So second comment for today's video is from Laksh Studio, and he is commenting on L2 Empuran title video reaction video, and he is commenting, वो इल्यूमिनाटी का लीडर है लूसीफर, यही है दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा डॉन। यस, लूसीफर मतलब मोहनलाल सर का जो एंट्री था, मतलब मैं अभी भी सोच रही हूँ, वो सीन मैं मेमोराइज कर रही हूँ मेरे इसमें ब्रेन में, एंड I'm just getting this idea that how can a person be so much handsome in this age also. Okay, this thing only is coming to my mind. Okay, and that was again iconic, and they are big actors, Kamal Hassan sir or Mohanlal sir or Mammootty sir. They all are very senior level का person, and I think मैं बहुत छोटी हूँ उन लोगों के बारे में बात करने के लिए भी, क्योंकि they are legends. Okay, and his appearance itself was like ये so yes, वो सबसे बड़ा डॉन थे, वो देख के ही लग रहा था. Okay, it was just looking like that only. And yes, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Monkey Beat, and he's commenting on Aladdin reaction round to hell video, and he's commenting, अच्छा दीदियों तुम लोग कितना मेहनत कर रही हो वो दिख रहा है। मेहनत तो सब कोई करता है, आप भी मेहनत करके ही यहाँ पे कमेंट लिखे हो, और हम भी मेहनत करके ही यहाँ पे बैठ के रिएक्शन दे रहे हैं। मेहनत के अलावा इस दुनिया में और कुछ नहीं होता है। मेहनत करोगे तभी कुछ रिजल्ट्स मिलेगा, मेहनत करोगे तभी अच्छा होगा। ठीक है, बैठे बैठे कुछ नहीं होता। तो हाँ, मेहनत तो हम करते हैं, एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दैट कि मैं मेहनत करने के जैसा हूँ और मेहनत करती हूँ। ओके, आप भी मेहनत कीजिए एंड लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा कीजिए। तो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर कमेंट एंड फॉर वॉचिंग आवर वीडियो। सो दीज आर द 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who ever commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.